Hindi na makalaya, dinadalo ako bawat gabi. Wala na nakakita, tapos mo'y ramdam. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And so for today's video, we're going to be looking at the song Multo by Capo, an OPM band from the Philippines. Very catchy song. It's been pretty popular lately, especially when it came out. It was a really good song. So before we get on to the video, quick disclaimers first. We're going to be using a capo on the 4th fret, which means that this is not going to be your 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and so on and so forth. And aside from that, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow, as well as teaching this to you guys as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, there's only going to be 4 of them. It's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the C add 9 chord. It's going to be this one, and that's going to be dead string 3 2 open 3 3. Next up is going to be the G major chord. That's going to be 3 2 open open 3 3. Next up is going to be the E minor 7 chord. That's going to be open 2 2 open 3 3. Then lastly, it's going to be the D major chord. It's going to be this one right here, and we're going to be using our thumb to create that dead sound for the lower E and the A strings, like so. Don't press on it, just let it rest there to create that dead sound. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be open 2 3 then 2. All in all, you have the C add 9 chord, G major chord, E minor 7 chord, and then D major chord. Okay, so when it comes to the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. And this strumming pattern we're going to be playing for 2 whole counts for each chord that we're going to be playing in this song. Allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be like this. Yep. When it comes to playing with your fingers, recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strum and this part of your thumb for the up strum. That is going to be down, down, up, down, up. And when it comes to using a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and when it comes to the intro section of the song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be the C add 9 chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern twice. It's going to be like this. Then G major chord for 4 counts as well, doing it twice. E minor 7 for 4 counts. Then the D major chord for 4 counts. Just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, and when it comes to the first verse section of the song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Once again, C add 9 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. G major chord for 4 counts. One more time. And then after that, it's going to be the C add 9 chord for 2 counts. Then after that's going to be the C add 9 chord for 2 counts, G major chord for 2 counts, then the D major chord for 4 counts. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Humingang, malalim, pumikit na muna. Baka-sakaling, namamalikmata. Okay, so when it comes to the pre-chorus as well as the post-chorus sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. That is going to be the C add 9 chord for 2 counts, G major chord for 2 counts, E minor 7 chord for 2 counts, and D major chord for 2 counts. One more, E minor 7, then D. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Nang damdamin ko, di mo pa ako lilisanin. Hindi ka pa sapat, pagpapahirap sa'kin. Hindi na pa mayabang. Hindi na pa mayabang. Okay, so when it comes to the second verse of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up, once again, it's going to be the C add 9 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be this one right here. G major chord for 4 counts. One more. G major chord. It's going to be the C add 9 chord for 2 counts. G for 2 counts. E minor 7 for 2 counts. D major for 2 counts, C add 9 for 2 counts, G major for 2 counts, then D major chord for 4 counts. Yep, pretty easy. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana, dahil sa bawat tingin mo kami nakikita. Kahit saan man mapunta ay aninong kumakapit sa'kin pa man. Ako ay dahan-dahan nililibing ng buhay pa. And lastly, for the chorus sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Similar to the pre-chorus and the post-chorus sections of this song, but instead of just repeating it twice, we're going to be doing it 4 times now this time. So once again, C add 9 chord for 2 counts, then G, E minor 7, then D, 3 more, then G, E minor 7, then D, 2 more, then this one, then this one, last one. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Hindi na makalaya, dinadalo ako bawat gabi. Wala na nakakita, tapos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa daling. Hindi na nakinig, hindi na makakisig. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for reaching this point in the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for my future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'm sure to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. Or if you guys would like to watch other guitar tutorial in general, just click these ones right here. You're all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.